All right, back with another D5 tutorial. This time we're looking at effects, and this time I'm focusing on the 7 most important effects for your rendering. All right, let's jump into it. All right, so here in D5 we see this rendering, and it has 7 effects applied to it, 7 of the most important effects. So if you go over in your upper right and you go to effect and you scroll down toward the bottom, you're going to get down to tint, bloom, lens flare, rainbow flare, vignette, chromatic aberration, and saturation. So I'm just going to set these back to 0, and then we'll talk about them one at a time. Okay, in order for these effects to work, you have to be looking at the daylight. These are all about effects that affect the way you look at the sun. So the sun is showing up in my lower right hand corner here. So the first one is tint. If you want a little tint to your image, different color than what you're actually getting, you can go ahead and add a little tint to it. Then there's bloom. Okay, so bloom totally affects that sunlight. So you see that sunlight almost not visible, but when I add some bloom, it starts to expand and take over the image. So a little bit of bloom. Now lens flare is the light bouncing back into the lens of the camera. And then rainbow flare adds a little flare around that lens flare. And then vignette starts to focus your image in toward the middle, so it starts to darken the outlying areas. And then chromatic aberration, this is actually, when you're using a physical camera, it's a defect in the lens where the edges get blurry. The edges of the image get blurry. And I like this because renderings sometimes are so stale because they're so crisp at the edges, so I like a little bit of that. And then my favorite one is desaturating. Desaturating the color, going the opposite direction. Desaturating. Too much saturation always looks fake. All right, 7 best effects in D5. Have fun with it. I'll see you on the next one.